Hello and welcome back, my stylish friends. Updates on 2024 blanket. I tested 4 different colors to see which color I want to use for my connection. The colors I was testing from the right were cherry red, pumpkin spice, hunter green, and claret. I actually like all of them, but I have to choose one. And I selected pumpkin spice. I think these 3 colors looks great. Now think about what type of connection you will be making. I just make extra row. Once you test your connection, measure your square. My original square size was 4.5 inches, that's 11 centimeters, and now I have 15 centimeters, which is almost 6 inches. So depending what size blanket you're making, you want to make sure that you have enough squares. We're still learning new designs, so make sure you leave some space for those new designs because we're creating them all the way to December. Now think how you want to arrange your squares as well. If you like the design, I do not block my squares, but if you want to block your squares, now is the perfect time to do that as well. See you next time.